Traders, this is the trade of the week, starting on the 3rd day of December. It is Tuesday, and we're staying away from the dollar currencies this week as much as possible due to the fact that we have ADP on Wednesday, we have non-farm payroll on Friday, and also staying out of the Canadian currencies due to the OPEC meetings on Thursday. So this is a trade of the week. It's actually our trade of the month. We're looking for this to be a swing trade. So the first trade would be the trade of the week right in here. Let me give you a little idea of the whole picture here. Let me go up to the 240, right? So you can see here that, we're set up for the turn. We've already made the turn to the downside here. We have a day chart support line going right in here, which may stop this, but we're looking to go all the way down here to 82.09 if we get a chance, okay? So we have just completed, let me go back to the 60-minute chart. And we have just completed a two-wave two-wave. All right, so we had a nice big one wave right there, and here's a two-wave. All right, so now we're anticipating a three-wave. Now we won't know it's a three-wave until the fourth wave shows up. All right, so you have to anticipate the market. All right, so you can see we're in a nice downtrend right in here. We got 753 pips to the bottom, but the trade of the week would be this trade right here, right now, right there. Right there. So we're looking for this to come down here. And the reason for that is because the ATR on the pound Aussie is 133 pips. But you can also see that it normally does 166 pips in a 90-day period and 146 pips in a 180. So it could easily put 20 to 30 more pips below here if it gets an opportunity. All right. So we're in a very start of a third wave. If this makes the turn, and that's a big if, okay? So if it makes a turn, because, it can easily just break out here and say, hey, we're not actually a trend after all. We're just a big box, okay? So we don't have that information yet, but right now we do have information saying there's a high probability this is going to be a third wave to the downside. All right, so the trade of the week would be starting right now on the break as it makes a turn here. If it makes a turn down, we're going to look for this trade down here to 88.53 tonight, and we'll see what happens on that. If we go take a look and see what MACD says about the 6 aces, the pound Aussie. Move this out of the way and pull it up here for you. All right, so as you can see, it has already made a turn here to the upside, but it's not very convincing. As you can see, very, very small. We have broken the T3 here. So that's why we're also planning on the move to the upside, because if this continues, then we're going to do this. Always remember that MACD points the way. And right now, MACD is pointing the way to the upside. All right, but we have a very, very strong structure in play for the downside move. All right, so we're prepared for both of them. So if we get a break hook and go up here above 90.30, we'd be looking for a target tonight. Well, actually, by 5 o'clock tonight, we'll get a new ATR. We'd be looking for this top tonight up here at about 91.59. So if it blows up here, we're looking for 91.59. If it keeps the structure in place, and you need to remember in the Forex, everything is about keeping the structure in place. All right, so they've got a great structure with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, none of that has happened yet, but the structure is for the downside move because we're inside this downside trend right now. All right, so we're looking for this trade right here tonight. And it's from here, what it is now, that's 1 T30, 2 T30s, 3 T30s, 4 T30s, 5 T, that's 150 pips right there. So we'll see if that happens. Hopefully it helps you. We're sending it out early, so we'll see how traders do on it, and we'll go from there. So have a great day. Be careful in the market. We'll talk with you soon.